Welcome to this session on test estimation techniques, a critical skill that helps testing teams plan resources, timelines, and budgets effectively. Accurate estimation ensures that testing fits into the overall project schedule without compromising quality. Let's explore the key techniques used to estimate testing effort. First, why is estimation important? Testing often competes for time and budget, and unrealistic expectations can lead to incomplete coverage or rushed releases. Estimation helps you set achievable targets, allocate the right resources, and prepare for potential challenges. It also helps project managers make informed decisions about timelines and scope. Now, let's look at some of the most widely used test estimation techniques. The first method is expert-based estimation. This relies on the experience of seasoned testers or QA leads who evaluate the project scope and estimate the effort based on similar past projects. It's quick and easy, but it depends heavily on expert availability and judgment. Next is work breakdown structure, or WBS. This technique breaks the testing project into smaller, manageable tasks like writing test cases, setting up the environment, executing tests, and reporting defects. You estimate each task separately and then sum the totals. WBS offers detailed insight and accountability, making it great for complex projects. Third is the test case point method. This approach estimates effort based on the number and complexity of test cases. Test cases are categorized as simple, medium, or complex, and each type is assigned a weight. You then multiply the number of test cases by their weights to get the total effort. This method is particularly effective when requirements are well-defined and test cases are already outlined. Another common method is the percentage of development effort. Here, testing is estimated as a percentage of the total development effort, typically ranging from 20% to 40%, depending on project complexity and risk. It's useful in early stages when detailed testing data may not be available, but it assumes a close alignment between development and testing needs. Then we have the Delphi technique. This is a consensus-based method where multiple experts provide estimates independently. The results are shared anonymously, discussed, and refined until the group agrees on a final estimate. It reduces individual bias and is useful for large or uncertain projects. Function point analysis is another approach, especially for large-scale enterprise systems. It estimates effort based on the functionality delivered to the user. Function points are calculated based on inputs, outputs, user interactions, files, and interfaces. These are then converted into testing effort using standard productivity factors. Regardless of which technique you use, remember these best practices. Always include contingency time for unexpected issues, consider team experience and tool availability, and review historical data for similar projects. Also, revisit and adjust estimates as the project evolves. Early estimates are just a starting point, not a contract. Estimation is both art and science. It requires analytical thinking, historical insight, and open communication with stakeholders. Document your assumptions, define your scope clearly, and update your estimates based on feedback and project changes. In summary, test estimation techniques help you plan smart, manage expectations, and deliver quality software on time. Choose the right method based on your project context and refine your estimates as new information emerges. In the next session, we'll talk about scheduling, resource allocation, and how to balance speed with quality in testing. Let's keep building your project planning skills.